Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Hello everyone. I hope everybody would be fine by the grace of the Almighty. So here I'm once again with the unboxing of my Vivo Y11 mobile. So I thought to share with you the unboxing so that it would be something beneficial, knowledgeable for others to have an idea if they are having some plans of buying a mobile. So Vivo Y11 की unboxing आपसे share करूँगी मैं अभी. So this is the packing. I got it like this. Bought it today, and this is the packing, and these are the specifications of this Vivo mobile. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I got it like this. Let's check it out. Okay, so it's the pin here, and it's the warranty card, important information and warranty card. So I would check it out later, just see it. We go through it in detail later. Some important information and the warranty, and this pin I got it as well. Quick start guide. If you have to use it, you can use the guide. Otherwise, normally all the mobile devices, they work almost in a similar fashion. तो अगर आपको रीड करना है, स्पेसिफिकेशंस वगैरह बताई हुई हैं इसमें, and these are right in front of you. Okay, I will check them later. This is also, I got it with the mobile, the cover for the mobile. Okay, now this is the packing. So this is the packing. Now let's open this. Okay, we will see the mobile later. I have got this charger as well. And this data cable as well as charging cable. Okay, and now let's check out the mobile. The proximity sensor and ambient light sensor. Okay, fine. It's very nicely packed. A good mobile, mashallah. Has dual camera. A dual camera, you can see here, it's mentioned here. And its color is red, so it's quite nice. Let's check it out. I would turn it on. Bismillah. Now it's on. Taking some time as it's just started for the first time, maybe that's why. Yes, funtouch OS, खुशामदीद, welcome. अपना phone set up करें. So these are different now requirement. Obviously I'll have to set it up. So I wanted to share with you this unboxing of this Vivo Y11. I'm right? Yes, this is okay. Now I would show you how to insert the SIM. This is the pin. ये pin SIM, it is a very important pin, and कई दफ़ा होते हैं लोगों की गुम हो जाती है. इसको ऐसे हम करेंगे like this, and when I pressed it तो ये थोड़ा सा opening हो जाती है. आप देख सकते हैं, this is the opening here. वैसे भी अगर ये लूज कर दें आप, if you lose that pin or if it gets lost, तो आप you can purchase from the market. 15-20 रुपए की होती है, worth rupees 15 or 20. So I'm just going to now. तो ये देखिए आप इसमें it's a dual SIM mobile. So यहाँ पे 2 SIMs आप insert कर सकते हैं, and along with it you can insert SD card as well, one SD card. So I'm now going to show you. So here I have inserted one SIM and this is the SD card. I'm going to put it here nicely. So perfect. ये देख सकते हैं आप, ये देखिए. Just look at this beauty. So now I'm going to again insert it back in the mobile, and this is how we do it, and press it. Fine. So I hope now you got to know what is the use of this pin. It's easily available in the markets, but still you have to be careful about this pin, as it is used to just open that port that is used for the SD card and the two SIMs if you want to use. So I've set the date and time and everything. So it's registered successfully. Okay. Now censor कर दूँगी. Now right now everything is being skipping for the timing. Congratulations, your phone has been set up and it's ready to be used now. So that's something I wanted to show you, and now everything is loading, and this is the look of the mobile. You can see it. It's quite smart, mashallah. Nice outlook, and the price is very economical. So एक अच्छा मोबाइल एक एवरेज कीमत में तकरीबन सस्ता है, बहुत सस्ता मोबाइल है, और एक अच्छा मोबाइल आपको मिलता है. So that's good. Okay, if you like the video, then do give it a thumbs up, and also share your views in the comments. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to it by not just subscribing to my channel, but also click the bell icon so that you would be notified for my latest videos at once. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.